FIFA World Cup standings updated June 24. Group A, Mexico 6 points, South Korea 3 points, Czechia 1 point, South Africa 1 point. Group B, Canada 4 points, Switzerland 4 points, Bosnia 1 point, Qatar 1 point. Group C, Brazil 4 points, Morocco 4 points, Scotland 3 points, Haiti 0 points. Group D, USA 6 points, Australia 3 points, Paraguay 3 points, Turkey 0 points. Group E, Germany 6 points, Ivory Coast 3 points, Ecuador 1 point, Curacao 1 points. Group F, Netherlands 4 points, Japan 4 points, Sweden 3 points, Tunisia 0 points. Group G, Egypt 4 points, Iran 2 points, Belgium 2 points, New Zealand 1 point. Group H, Spain 4 points, Uruguay 2 points, Cabo Verde 2 points, Saudi Arabia 1 point. Group I, France 6 points, Norway 6 points, Senegal 0 point, Iraq 0 point. Group J, Argentina 6 points, Austria 3 points, Algeria 3 points, Jordan 0 point. Group K, Colombia 6 points, Portugal 4 points, DR Congo 1 point, Uzbekistan 0 point. Group L, England 4 points, Ghana 4 points, Croatia 3 points, Panama 0 point.